Good morning, Dimpy. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm good.
Welcome to your mock interview, Dimpy. Let me just quickly introduce to our panelists. So we have Krishna sir and Abad sir with us. All the best, Dimpy. Over to you.
Thank you.
Hi Dimpy, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Good morning, sir. I'm doing fine.
So, good luck for your PI. Could you please briefly introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Dimple Sharma and I belong to the capital of India, New Delhi. I live in a joint family. My mother is a homemaker and my father has a business of real estate. And my academic, I did my Bachelor's of Commerce from Gargi College, Delhi University. Speaking of my dislikes, I think we humans have created a harm to the environment, and I think we all should take certain initiatives and make choices wisely. And my hobbies would include during my pastime, I do gardening, which is it brings peace to me and it relaxes my mind and give me a sense of refreshment. My strength, I personally believe that my communication skills would be my strength. I think I have great interpersonal communication skills, and I think if I work upon them and I polish these skills in future, I would be able to build strong interpersonal relations with associates in the professional forefront. And I think in childhood, the weakness I would say was of me having a wavering mind. For me, I was a very fidgety child. So for me, it was difficult to focus on certain things. So I practiced meditation and I still date. I do meditation to, relax myself and clear my thought process, align my thought process. Lastly, I conclude by mentioning my aim in life. So I would definitely want myself to be associated with a organization that is environmentally conscious towards the environment and ensures what ideologies they portray towards the society and the environment. So I want my target to be synchronized with the ideologies of the brands that I work for. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Dimpy, it was quite briefly I've introduced. Over to you, Abbas sir, for a couple of questions.
Oh, thank you so much. Hi, Dimpi. Very good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm doing fine.
So, but Dimpi, why did you choose this blue color to wear?
So this blue color, I had only one formal shirt, and which is this one.
Okay, do you know what exactly blue color sympathizes in your life or how this impacts on your life?
Blue color sympathizes in my life. I think I won't take it in the terms of darkness. I think it is something that uh, you know it will enhancify me. It will not, like, if I wear a bright color, it might the bright color might portray more of the vibrant nature. And with this, I think I'll become more vibrant. Like dark color, the composition is opposite. So I think it will
All
become.
right.
I will come out more shiny.
Okay, can you just let me know about your family a little bit?
Okay, so as I mentioned, my mother is a homemaker. My father works my father has a real estate business. I live with my grandparents and I have my two siblings. They are younger than
Right.
me.
hmm So, become an elder. How do you find how difficult it is to have, to understand the basic ideas of responsibilities?
Oh, being the eldest one is very
Yes.
difficult. You have to always, like, every time the responsibility comes, it has to be you who will be held responsible. Whatever it is, while it is about their studies, the choices they do, the nuisance they create. If they trouble parents, they'll be questioning you. You look after them. You are the elder, but make them understand. So I think it is difficult. Plus, it is very much a responsibility of me as an elder sister to, make sure that I have two brothers. So I have to make sure that they should come out as an individual, sensitive towards the surroundings we have. Like, feminism, they should be inculcated with such values. So I, being the sister, I make sure I always teach them, okay, respect them, do this, don't do that. Don't sound too naive, don't be too aggressive, don't be too stubborn, be helpful, show sympathy, be empathetic.
Right. What is your idea if do you understand like this pandemic and this recession? How difference did you see in both of them?
So can you please, in both of them, in like one is pandemic and the other one is,
Yeah, recession, right? The recession period.
okay, so I
Economic
think,
recession.
Yeah, crisis there.
Yes, economic
okay, so I
crisis fall down what we are having in the market.
Okay, so I think COVID-19 has impacted not only the fashion industry, I think the every industry worldwide, and it has caused, loss of employment. The unskilled labor, they were already suffering. Now it has become more worse. The way the products were used to made, everything has an impact in the economy. The slowdown has come. The banking sector is not doing so great. The flow of money in the economy, the disparity between rich and poor has increased further. So it will be difficult to cope up with this gap that has COVID-19 has created in the economy.
Over to you, sir.
Well, nice, Dimpy. I would like to know the one thing which defines you.
Me, I would
Yes.
say a person who is self-motivated.
Self-motivated. All right. So, what suggestion you will give it to the society people right now to stay motivated, stay calm, stay
So
composed in current
yes,
situation? What
definitely
they
it
need
is
to
the
do?
need of an hour.
Yeah, it is needed,
Self,
but what they need to do it as per
yes, it
your
is needed.
statement.
So the first thing is that comes upon is it's you, your mindset, your thinking, everything around you revolves. I noticed that the surroundings are very depressing. The moment you open social media, you feel so helpless. You cannot even do such things. But it's just that be composed, calm yourself down, think about your family, think about the others, meditate, calm your senses, think positive. Positivity can lead you to greater heights, and it can benefit you in any which way. So motivation, just drive through yourself, believe in yourself ki, okay, this is pandemic going on, I have certain responsibilities to do, I will do it, and I will ensure my friends or my circle around them, they are doing fine. I will talk to them, make sure they have a healthy mindset, they are not being disturbed. We can, like on a personal forefront, we can, like every evening with friends can have a video call or conference ki, we talk about mental health ki, okay, are you fine talking to people, are you doing good? So I think all these things can be done like on a personal forefront, because everyone cannot go out there and help society and all. We have our families, we have to take care of our grandparents. So I think just positive mindset is something, positivity is that which we need. And I, on the other hand, I hope no one in this country, turns out to be positive with COVID-19.
Well, frequently asked question is why MFM? Why
Okay,
you should?
so according to me, the understanding I have gathered upon is, I think I would say it as a fusion of management and fashion, masters of fashion and management. So the way I see it as, it is a diversified, like it will be help me in developing skills in managerial skills in the field of merchandising, retailing, how do import export houses operate, the retailing sector, the supply chain, in the the marketing, which is, in a real time with industry expertise. So I think it is added on benefit, and plus the exposure the course will provide me, the creative merchandising, the cluster programs, the courses associated with the entrepreneurial skills that it will help me gain, and plus the deepening specializations the course has, that will be sure a benefit for me in future, to specialize in a particular field, to gain expertise in that for one particular field. So I think it is a very very industrial specific program for the future managers, or future managers in the field of fashion, to do something about.
Good. So, how many deepening specialization a student can take in the NIFT?
Okay, so there are three deepening specializations: naming, marketing, and retailing. international business and uh, e-commerce, I guess.
Do you understand my question? What I ask you?
Yeah, you asked me three deepening specializations that Next provide.
I ask you, a student who is joining the MFM course, how many specialization, deepening specialization he can take through their course?
Okay, one. I think one.
Uh, all right. What is merchandising, by the way? This will be the last question.
Okay, so merchandising is like you have to make sure that the roles that merchandiser will involve is to make sure that buying houses to ensure that they have the adequate supply of raw material and ensuring that the product or the raw material is being processed as per the standards set by the designs to ensure the quality check. That is what a merchandiser do, and it has certain bifurcation like a visual merchandiser and other.
All right. I'll come for my feedback. Over to you, sir, for feedback round.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much. So, hi, Dimpy. We have
Yes,
done now
sir.
this our interview. Can you just let me
Yes,
know
sir.
what you're lacking of? Do you understand what you're lacking of?
Yes, sir. The question that Krishna sir asked, that merchandiser wala part,
Hmm.
and yeah, that's it. I think I didn't knew that how much like a student can choose how many deepening specializations.
Right. Two things. Can you rate yourself in your nervousness? I mean, what was your percentage of nervousness out of 10,
I would say five,
and why so?
because I think sometime I was like going too fast, and sometime I was like certain questions you threw upon me, so I had to think, and instead of calming myself down, I was just like I was thinking while speaking. So I think that I did a mistake.
You need to calm down for that, right? You need to calm
Okay.
down, try to understand the question first, and then start. If you don't understand the question, you can ask, pardon me, can you please repeat the question? It happens, right?
Okay.
Normally, because of his technology, he might not able to understand the question, but it's very good to ask the question again, right? And just calm
Okay.
down yourself. You're okay with your
Okay.
things. See, your hands were showing everything, that how you panic, how you are able to answer. You wanted to answer it. It shows you're more nervous rather than the confident. So try to use less hands and try to be calm down. You'll be fine with it. Somehow
Okay.
the things which can be asked, right, out of the league can be the question. Like I ask you the out of the league, right, which is not
Yeah, the blue
related to your
question.
MFM,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
But
So
did I
it
make
means
sense? Did I make sense when I
not
talked about the?
exactly this was the answer. It's all about see what happens is, I don't know how you feel this color, but see, even I wear blue, right? It's all about how it connect to you. It's not about only people see, everyone is not with the comfort zone of the clothes, right? Let's say if you have to answer it, Krishna sir, am I right? Like clothes or maybe
Yes,
color
yes, sir.
makes you the
Yes.
understanding of this, how much you're confident, how good you're actually looking for the things. Like if I say, oh, I wear this blue because I like the color so much, and it gives me a boost, it gives me a strength to work upon it, so I like to wear this. Whenever I go for a good things, I definitely
Blue
go
is
for this
very,
thing. Yeah.
yeah, blue is very trustable color. Blue is something which is quite limitless. You cannot say darker shade of blue. This is called
Hmm.
navy blue. There are two shades of the blue. We say this is also blue, the wall which you see behind
Yeah.
me, right? Sky blue. Or
Sky
else
blue.
navy blue, we use the terms which
Okay.
you guys are wearing in both of you, right? So this is towards more manly color, but yeah, ideally you will see in most of the companies, like especially in insurance company, banking sector company, their logos, if you will notice, they use this blue,
That's
right?
correct.
Darker or lighter shade of blue. So what sir is saying you to understand the questions and answer like a, do not answer like a kiddos, answer like a management student. I have a
Okay.
single pair of outfit. It's doesn't making any sense. I have
And
this
someone
formal.
expect you to be a manager, right? We are expecting,
Yeah.
or everyone will expect you to become a manager, right? So the answer reflects your mindset of mind. Although you're true to your heart, right? You're answering it, but so it doesn't make sense when you're coming for the position of a manager, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा पता करके आएंगे तो हो सकता है वो ये भी पूछे जो इट्स बिलोंग फ्रॉम विच ब्रांड्स आई मीन आप सस्टेनेबल ये सब बातें कर रहे हो, वो ब्रांड मतलब दिस कलर्स ब्रांड ये सब रिलेटेड, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली दे आस्क टू मेक यू unconscious and uncomfortable sometime, you know, so that you will
Right,
feel like कैसे आप react करते हो, right? So
right.
like suppose another question comes in the same category, like you know, are you a eligible candidate? Why you should get this seat? हाँ, MFM ने आपको M dash दे देंगे. So there's a series of the question, like you know, which fall well.
Okay.
I think sir has defined very nicely, and आप खुद you know about it. What things
But
you
I
need to
don't know how to
improve.
work upon, like last year, last time also I gave the interview. The same problem happens with me. Like I tend to speak too fast, so मेरे को calmness नहीं होती है अंदर से.
आप पहले अंदर से काम करो. आप कहते हो मैं योगा करती हूँ, मैं ध्यान करती हूँ, मेरा आई एम गुड
हाँ,
इन
but
कम्युनिकेशन
जब
एंड
इंटरव्यू होता है तो you adrenaline में रश हो जाता है.
एक सामने एक पेपर लगा लो आप. मतलब जो भी आपको कोटेशन या कोई ऐसा चीज विच मेक यू फील काम, लाइक यू नो,
Okay,
देन
okay.
it is very important to recall it again and again. The moment you will recall, you will calm down, like you know, जो भी चीजें आपको ये करती है. Because what I
Okay.
realize, you must be good in things are obviously, but आप जब बोल रहे थे तो you messed up everything while talking about it, like you know, getting too fast. और आप मतलब एक ही सेंटेंस को खींच रहे हो, बना रहे हो, आप बोल रहे हो, कंटेंट लाने का वेट कर रहे हो, अगला कंटेंट आएगा तब उसमें डालना है, ऐसे फिलअप करना है, तो वेट करिए. जस्ट
ठीक है,
रिलैक्स, एक नॉर्मल बातचीत होनी चाहिए, ठीक है.
ठीक है. And so how was the answer to why MFM? Was that fine or I had to work upon that?
No, it is okay, Dimpy. The things are okay. It's just you need to relax yourself, and you know the things are. If you'd ask me, हमने बात करा इस पे, and the one or two things more which you want me to focus. थोड़ा जैसे आप अभी नॉर्मल बात कर रहे हो, तो your eye contact is far more better. When you are talking about the topics, तो वो एक हैबिट होती है. कल एक बच्चे की हैबिट थी, वो ऐसे सेक कर रहे थे, आगे पीछे आ जा रहे थे. आप आई ऊपर ले जाते हो, देन यू कम बैक एंड टॉक. तो सबसे वो एक्सप्रेशन होता है, जैसे मैं शॉर्ट रहूं या मैं बहुत ज्यादा खुश रहूं या बहुत एक्साइटेड रहूं, तो एक एक्सप्रेशन आता है ना. तो दैट्स एक्सप्रेशन सोच जो आप अभी सोच रहे हो, जैसे अभी नहीं कर रहे हो ना आप. नाउ यू डू नॉट नीड टू डू इट. आईज ऐसे, लाइक यू नो, आई बॉल ऊपर जाना फिर नीचे आना, बट इट इज देयर एट दैट मोमेंट, है ना. तो वो खुद आप मिरर में थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करिए. कब है आपका पीआई?
30th.
सो यू हैव टाइम, सो थोड़ा करिए, हो जाएगा, ठीक है.
ठीक है.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
एनर्जी आपकी बहुत अच्छी है, मुझे लगता है कृष्णा सर, ये एनर्जी बहुत अच्छी है इसकी.
हाँ
बस थोड़ा सा आप मेंटेन बहुत बढ़िया करें, आप बहुत अच्छे से समझा पा रहे हैं. कोशिश करिए बस पैनिक मत होइए, आराम से जो आप क्वेश्चन समझ पाते हैं उसी हिसाब से डिलीवर करिए, यू विल बी फाइन.
And
वाई
so
एमएफएम,
also
बोलिए.
one more thing, like जैसे मैंने अभी बोला कि मेरा लाइफ में एम ये है. So is that fine? Like अगर मैं if I mention कि मेरे को ना, अगर मुझसे पूछा जाए कि where will you see yourself after 5 years? So I would answer it like, if I present the answers, I would say कि I would like to see myself working for a brand which is environmentally conscious and focused on sustainable development. So I would want to be at the position of a brand manager of such brand. So is this answer fine? Like brand manager is fine. Saying at
You could be the
five
brand manager, you could be the CEO of a company, it doesn't matter, right? It's about how practically you're working towards. Let's say if I say I'll be after down the line 5 years after completing this, I might be working for a company and getting benefited for this particular project. Maybe you said na कि जो आप बता रहे हो कि ये working में होगा, तो I'll definitely be working because this is my choice and I want to make some impact on the society and the design fraternity. So I'll definitely be working towards it, and I am not very sure if I'll work upon it, I'll be in a good position. You cannot sure you're a brand manager, you can be CEO, you can be anyone.
But if I mention like after 5 years, I would like to see myself as a brand manager, will that be wrong? Like
No,
working with
it's not the fixed position. You cannot say brand manager will be there. So what my concern is, क्या बोलते हैं sir?
वेल आप क्या होता है, कैटेगरी हेड होते हो, फिर आप जो है वो असिस्टेंट मैनेजर होते हो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर. वो कई सारे, कोई एक ब्रांड होता है बीच ई कॉमर्स और रिटेल जिस कंपनी को आप ज्वाइन करोगे, सो यू विल बी ज्वाइनिंग असिस्टेंट, ऐसे करके असिस्टेंट मैनेजर टाइप, यू नो, आफ्टर द MFM. So from there, तो I think आप नहीं जानते हो तो बोल दो जो I don't know about it right now. वो I am like, you know, I would.
तो फिर सिर्फ इतना बोलूं कि I would like to work for a company or a brand which is environmentally conscious and focused on sustainable development. अब उसमें I should not mention the roles की brand manager या store manager या visual merchandiser क्या
हाँ,
बनना है,
वो
वो
ज्यादा
सिर्फ
बेटर है, वो
वो
ज्यादा
ज्यादा बेहतर, वो आप यही बोल दो कि I'll be working for this company and I'll be sure I'll be in a good position where I'll be getting benefited for the company. I'm making strategies how this company can survive or how the things will be there.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, like I didn't mention here that I have a year gap. Like COVID से पहले भी my graduation was completed in 2019. और उसके बाद मैंने I didn't do anything like much more productive. So मैंने वो चीज mention नहीं करी है. तो which is this fine? अगर मुझसे पूछा जाएगा कि did you have a gap year? So all I would say is कि yes, I did took a gap year, and in that time, you know, I explored career options. I aligned my thought process. I wanted to know what should I do, and then I came up with MFM. And is this answer fine? Like, is it justifiable for a gap year?
It is completely okay. They hardly ask such questions, or if they ask, I mean, they are okay with the answers. are बच्चों के 5-5 साल गैप होते हैं, नहीं तो वो ईयर कैप ही नहीं रखते ना, ओपन ईयर कैप जहाँ पे हर कोई अप्लाई कर सकता है. So
And so to
you
the
do not need to
question
worry
you
about
asked about deepening specialization, कितना मतलब how many deepening specialization can a student take?
it. एक ही ले सकते हैं, सही था वो, ठीक है.
एक सही था वो,
एक ही
तुम्हें
लेना,
कंफ्यूज
एक कोर्स
करने के
एक ही
लिए
करेगा,
तो
कितना करेगा.
एक ही तो
Was my
करना.
introduction fine? Was my introduction fine? Like aim,
एवरीथिंग इज
weakness.
फाइन. आप फिर से पैनिक हो रहे हैं, अभी आप जाओ प्रैक्टिस करो, ठीक है.
बस last thing I mentioned my weakness, so I
आप
said कि
लास्ट
हाँ
थिंग तभी से हो रहा है, आप कह रहा हूँ
नहीं
मैं.
sorry
आप
नहीं
but
नहीं, वीकनेस
like
ठीक था,
करो आप.
वीकनेस तुम्हारा वीकनेस और वीकनेस में था.
यही
मुझे
वीकनेस
जहाँ
होता है, ठीक है. जब तक आपको सेल्फ बिलीव नहीं होगा ना, there is never ending of the questions and lot of things in the world. आप अपना सेल क्रिएट करो, आपको क्या जाके बात करना. The moment you will drive your PI, they will ask you question in the same pattern. I don't mind to answer 100 of your question, but the thing is, this is your weakness. आपको
like
खुद पे
asking
बिलीव नहीं होता बोलते हुए. खुद पे बिलीव करिए, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करिए, हो जाएगा, ठीक है.
you are
otherwise
good,
the
don't worry.
content
हाँ,
was
सब
nice.
कुछ ठीक है, क्योंकि आपके हर एक क्वेश्चन में, यू नो व्हाट आई कैन सी, सर ये ठीक है, अच्छा एक ये बचा हुआ है, ऐसे ठीक है, ऐसे, ये खत्म करो अपने अंदर से.
नर्वसनेस है तुम्हारे अंदर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. तुम एक काम करना, अभी जो क्लास होती है ना तुम्हारी, एक बार मेंटोर से
हाँ.
पूछना आपने कि क्वेश्चंस जो आप नहीं बता पाए या कलर्स के बारे में कुछ पूछ लिया. लाइक यू नेवर नो व्हाट क्वेश्चंस कैन बी देयर रिलेटेड टू यू. आपके जितने उससे रिलेटेड ही क्वेश्चंस होंगे, राइट? तो आप एक
दीपक
बार
आपका,
मान के
हाँ, आप में क्यूरियोसिटी, आपका ये अच्छा होगा, पीआई अच्छा होगा, बढ़िया होगा. डू नॉट
लंबा
वरी.
होगा, लंबा होगा तुम्हारा
एकदम,
भी.
हाँ, आप सीखोगे बढ़िया से.
Like, वो मुझसे ये तो नहीं पूछेंगे ना कि कुछ environmentally sustainable designers के नाम
हाँ
बता दो
बिल्कुल
या
पढ़ो,
फिर,
हाँ बिल्कुल
है ना?
बिल्कुल पूछ सकते हैं, पढ़िए आप उसके बारे में.
मतलब ये नहीं बोलती तो मैं इन्फॉर्मेटिव पढ़ लूं, बोलती है पूछेंगे नहीं ना, वो बता दो, वही बोल रहा हूँ ये. चलो,
Okay,
गुड लक.
okay.
ठीक है,
Thank you.
ऑल
चलो
राइट,
भाई, ऑल द
थैंक यू.
बेस्ट.
Thank you.